let's go to the lesson. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. We all know how important exercise is for our health, but still we ignore it. We all know that exercise is very important, but we don't do it. We just ignore it. Here's a story of a village headman who stopped every possible movement of his body and just rested the whole day. So in this story you are going to study about a village headman who stopped every possible movement. He did not move his body, and he just simply took rest the whole day. Full day he took rest. Understood? Now read and find out what happened to him. So in this lesson you are going to read and find out what happened to the village headman for not moving his body. What happened to him? The proclaimer shouts to make an important announcement. Who is a proclaimer? A person who tells people publicly important things is called a proclaimer. So it made an important announcement. Announcement means spoken or written statement informing people about something is called announcement. The headman of the village is Hill. So what did the proclaimer tell? The proclaimer said that the headman of the village is Hill. The person who cures him will get a reward. The person who cures him means makes him healthy, will get a reward. Will get a reward. A thing that one gets because he has done something good is called a reward. So a person who cures the headman's illness or disease will get a gift, reward. Understood? Why such an announcement? Of course, there is a reason for it. So why such an announcement was made? There is a reason behind it. The headman Foolpoor is Hill. So what was the name of the headman? The headman's name is Foolpoor. He is Hill. It is not that this is the Foolpoor. He is very Hill. It is not at all an ordinary illness. It is not. Ordinary means not unusual or different. It is an illness, the medicine for which not even known to the best physician. It is an illness for which even the medicine is not known even to the best physician. Physician means doctor. Even the doctors did not get the medicine. Even the doctors could not find the medicine for such illness. Due to this illness, the headman has become not weak or thin, but fat and obese. And due to this illness, the headman has become not only weak or thin, but he has become fat as well as obese. Obese means extremely overweight is called obese. What do you think is the headman's reason? What do you think? What will be the reason for headman's illness? Now, the headman is in such a position that he needs the help of the attendants to make him do his daily course. So, the headman is in such a position that is in such a condition that he needs the help of his attendants. Attendants means people who help others is called attendants. To do his daily course, to do his daily work. He can only sit when he is made to sit by his attendants. So when his attendants make him sit on the bed, he is able to sit. And lie down when he is assisted to do. And when the attendants makes him to lie down, he is able to do. Otherwise, he cannot sit or lie down without the help of the attendants. Standing and walking is just out of question. He could not even stand and walk also. That is out of question. How did the headman reach this condition? How did he reach in such a situation? What happened to him? How did he become like this? This happened not because of any illness or disease, but because of the lack of exercise and by overeating. So this happened is not because of any sickness or disease, but because of the lack of exercise. Lack of exercise and overeating. Okay. The poor headman keeps lying in the bed waiting for his attendants to help him sit and then lie down. The poor headman will always be waiting for his attendants to come and help him, to make him to sit or to lie down in his, to make him lie in his bed. Announcements were done earlier too, but nothing happened. See, announcements were always done. Every day announcements are made, but nothing happened. Physicians came and went away taking fat fees. Every day doctors will come and they will take away fat fees. They used to come and take and go lots of money from the headman. Now the announcement has become a regular feature in the village. Now the announcement has become a regular. It has become every day. Every day there will be an announcement. A poor old lady named Ramabai also hears the announcement. So a lady, she was a poor old lady. Her name is Ramabai. This is Ramabai. She is a poor old lady. She heard the announcement. Ramabai, though old, is a hard-working and intelligent. Ramabai, even though she is old, she is very hard-working and intelligent. She somehow understands the real cause of Edmund's illness. She understood the reason. What is the reason behind the Edmund's illness? She understood the reason. An idea strikes her mind. An idea came to her mind. She makes a plan to cure the headman. Now she is trying to cure the headman. She is planning she should cure the headman. She should make him well. Ramabai tells no one of her plan. She did not tell anyone what she is going to do. She packs her bag, ties her hair up in a bun and goes straight to the headman's house. What did she do? She carried a bag. She carried a bag and she ties her hair like a bun. And she goes straight to the headman's house. She looks like an experienced physician. She looks like an experienced lady, an experienced doctor. After saluting, she says, "Honorable headman, I have come here after hearing about your illness." After saluting means what? Showing respect. Is called saluting. After saluting, she says, "Honorable headman, I have come here after hearing about your illness. I have come here to your house because I heard about your illness. I came to know about your disease, that you are lying full time, taking rest. I came to know. I have come to take care of you, to treat you. I am not an ordinary physician. I am not at all an ordinary doctor. You may call me the Empress of Doctors. You can call me the Empress of Doctors." The headman is impressed and allows her to start treating him. The headman is very impressed. Impressed means he is very happy. The headman is very happy. Then he allows her to treat him. Ramabai bows before the headman and says, Ramabai is bowing. Bow is showing respect and says, "There is one condition. You have to do what I tell you to do. Whatever I tell you to do, you have to obey." See, Ramabai is telling the headman, I will treat you, I will make you cure, but you have to listen whatever I tell you. There is one condition. You have to obey whatever I tell you. Otherwise, my medicine will not cure you. Otherwise, my medicine is not going to do any wonders on you. Otherwise, my medicine is not going to do any wonders. Will not cure you. You will not become